When it comes to cooking, we often hear that boiling can waste nutrients from our food, leaving foods less healthy. However, boiling can enhance the nutritional value of certain foods. Boiling can break down cell walls, release hidden nutrients, and even reduce anti-nutrients that interfere with our body's ability to absorb the good stuff. In this video, we'll explore top foods that are more nutritious when boiled. Broccoli. Boiling broccoli breaks down its cell walls, releasing more vitamin C and beta-carotene, making it a powerful antioxidant. Spinach. Boiling spinach increases the availability of iron and calcium, which is essential for healthy red blood cells and strong bones. Potatoes. Boiling potatoes increases their potassium, vitamin C, and fiber content. This makes their fiber and antioxidants more easily absorbed by the body and more beneficial for gut health. Carrots. Boiling carrots converts beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant, into a more easily absorbed form, supporting healthy vision and immune function. Green beans. Boiling green beans increases the availability of their vitamins A, C, K, and folate content. These nutrients are essential for blood clotting and cell growth. Peas. Boiling peas increases their protein and fiber content, supporting muscle growth and healthy digestion. Sweet potatoes. Boiling sweet potatoes increases their vitamin A, C, and antioxidant content, which supports healthy vision and immune function. Corn. Boiling corn increases its ferulic acid content, an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. Cauliflower. Boiling cauliflower increases its vitamin C and vitamin K content, supporting immune function and bone health. Eggs. Boiling eggs makes their protein and vitamin D more easily absorbed, supporting muscle growth and bone health. Asparagus. Boiling asparagus increases its vitamin C content and makes its fiber and antioxidants more digestible and bioavailable. Cabbage. Boiling cabbage releases more vitamin C and vitamin K, and makes its antioxidants more effective for our body. Brussels sprouts. Boiling Brussels sprouts increases their vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and fiber. Short boiling improves their digestibility, making them a healthy addition to any meal. Lentils. Boiling lentils increases their protein and fiber content, making them an excellent choice for digestive health. Boiling can enhance the nutritional value of many foods, making essential vitamins and minerals more accessible to your body. By incorporating these foods into your diet and using the right boiling techniques, you can enjoy delicious, nutrient-packed meals that support your overall health.